Hello everyone, and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's video is an unboxing from Louis Vuitton, brand new item that I picked up, along with some reveals of Louis Vuitton pre-owned items that I picked up some weeks ago. As you all know, I've been off of YouTube for a while, and in a way I wish I could say that while I was off YouTube, I was not purchasing anything and saving my money. However, that is just not the case. We've got a lot of catching up to do, and you'll see that I'm going to try and combine some videos, pre-owned, new, some things purchased recently, something purchased months ago, what works, what doesn't. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Isabel. I love all things luxury. If you enjoy today's video, I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and become a member of the 50 Plus Luxury Style family. If you're a returning subscriber, as always, thank you so much for sticking with me. And with that said, let's get into this unboxing. Here is the box, and I'm going to go ahead and share everything with you because I have not really gone through it or even opened it other than ripping off the cardboard box. Came in this Louis Vuitton box, and wow, we've got some tissue paper. You all know Louis Vuitton doesn't usually put in tissue paper, but I've got some nice tissue paper, and let's see what else we have here. Here we go. Some more things. Oh, I love it. The number 15 catalog. My SA knows me, and I love bags. So give me a bag, and that's it for the box. First of all, let's take a look at the bag. These are the bags. I know you already are guessing. This is from the new collaboration, the Kusama collaboration, which launched in the beginning of January. And I had gotten the preview from my SA, and to be frank, I was not interested. It's, I think, very pretty, very cool, but I'm not really interested in a handbag with all these dots, and I passed on everything. And then, of course, being who I am, as soon as it launched, I was like, oh my goodness, I have to get something. And so I got one item. Here's my receipt. Let's just see. No. They have, for this particular collaboration, ribbon. Look how pretty. It has the LV and all of the dots. I love this. And it even has this, oh, this is very pretty actually. It's got this Louis Vuitton and Kusama kind of pumpkin tag. It's heavy cardboard. Let's go ahead and open this up. Beautifully wrapped. Oh. And I love this. This is so cute. Like I said, it's white with silver lettering. Let's take all of this off and see if you can guess what I got. Inside, we've got tissue paper and to reveal the bandeau. I decided to get myself a little bit of history and just get something that I will definitely wear. It'll have all of the beautiful colors, but it won't be too much. And at the bottom, it says Louis Vuitton, and it also has the Kusama signature right there. One other thing to note is they even have on the tag on the bandeau, Louis Vuitton and Kusama on there, which is interesting. I don't know that they always do that. So I thought that was interesting. So it's definitely everywhere, including on the packaging. On the other side, it has the LVs. And that's it. That's the only item that I picked up from this particular collaboration. I'm very happy with it. Small enough where you can enjoy all of the colors, but not too in your face. And I do love bandeaus. If you've been following me for a while, you know I wear them sometimes on my wrist, sometimes on my hair, sometimes on my neck. Therefore, very, very excited to pick this up. The next two items I'm going to share with you are reveals. These are pre-loved items that I purchased from a reseller that I found while I was off of YouTube. I found him, I want to say, towards the first quarter of 2022, possibly, and I've just become addicted. And you may or may not know, but I really do not purchase any pre-loved Louis Vuitton items unless they are discontinued. My practice is to purchase Louis Vuitton at the boutique. I enjoy the experience. I love the people at the store that I shop at. And so I really don't purchase Louis Vuitton from resellers unless it's discontinued item that I can't get my hands on. So that's what this is. And this actually matches a pair of earrings that I have that I can't find, but I will find them. They have to be in my house, and I'm so disappointed I can't find them. But this is the Louis Vuitton Essential necklace, but with the pearls. Again, this, they no longer make this one in particular. It is the V, and it's all in little pearls. It's gold tone necklace. Right here, you're gonna see the LV. And right over here at the clasp, you also have the LV. You can make it a little shorter or a little longer. It has a little bit of an extender there. And it's just very, very beautiful, very, very delicate. And I love my earrings. As a matter of fact, I purchased my earrings years ago, and on one of the earrings, the little pearls just started falling off. And I was so devastated. I took them back to LV, and they were actually able to get me a new pair. They had to search all over the place because they weren't making them anymore. And I love them, love them to death. So I really, really need to find them. In any event, I picked this up from the reseller, and I have not worn it. I wanted to share it with you, but I love this piece. I also want to point out right on here, it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy. And in the back, it has a little serial number that I can barely see. It's just very delicate, very simple. And it's just one of the, you know, those earrings is one of the pieces that I love. All right, it took me more than a hot minute to get the necklace on because of these nails, which I'm very excited to have. That's a story for another day, but it looks really, really pretty delicate. And so I need to find the earrings. All right, next item that I purchased, again, same seller, Preloved, and this, quite frankly, was an impulse buy. I did not need this. I actually was trying to purchase something else in this same print. I didn't get it. And then this came up and I decided to pick it up. So we're gonna open it together. I haven't even looked at it. So this is a true unboxing in the sense of, I haven't looked at it. And this is, oh, none other than the Trouville, the multicolor Trouville from the 2003 Murakami collection. Now, let's go ahead and look at the bag carefully. I purchased it because I've been wanting to get something in the multicolor for a very long time. But the prices I've always thought were very, very expensive. And it's not easy to find them with the canvas in great shape without bleeding, etc. So let's kind of look at this one. I think it looks very, very beautiful. Even the metal here is in good shape. Okay, let's look at the sides. There's the zipper pulls, the back, and the other side. It does, of course, have patina. I was aware of that. And looking at it, it's okay. It's not great. But I did purchase it with the mindset of possibly just getting all of the vachetta done in Louis Vuitton. Here's the interior front flap, which is nice because you can throw your phone in there. And let's open it up and see the interior. And, okay, let's see what this is. This is the interior. And as you can see, it's in great shape. No marks, no pen marks, nothing at all. And of course, now I've got to figure out where the date code is in here. I'll have to do it later. My eyes are not great. It does say Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in France. If you know where the date code is in this bag, leave me a comment or send me a message via Instagram. In great shape, I think. Now let's see what it says. Oh, here's my certificate of authenticity. It's by Entropy. Great. And it's got the date code on here, etc. So this is great. This came with the bag. And he's a very reputable seller. Anyhow, so this is what I purchased. And actually, I really like it. I really, really like it. So it's in really good shape, actually. I'll probably use it a few times before I decide to go ahead and make the investment to get all of this switched out at LV. I'm not sure how much it would be, but I would assume it's a couple of $100. So yeah, this is what I purchased. It's the Trouville. I'm excited. I will for sure be wearing it sometime next week. So if you head over to my Instagram, you'll be able to see how I style it. And I also like the fact that I could probably put a strap on here, although I am not sure what would match with this. I don't have an all vachetta strap, but this is it. This is what I purchased. That's it for today's unboxing. Please leave me any comments or questions in the comment section down below. Let me know if you have this bag or if you have any of the anything from the multicolors collection. And also, what do you think about the brand new collaboration that LV put out with Kusama? Other than that, take care and I will see you soon. Bye.